You're listening to Michael Clarke on ABC Radio and ABC Country.
On this Wednesday morning, lovely to have you here. Well, I had a request the other day, which isn't unusual. I get lots of them. Bennett got in touch from Singapore and said he'd heard that Charley Crockett had put out a new surprise album. He'd just released The Age of the Ram, but then hot on the heels of that, released an album called Clovis. And the wonderful Henry Wagons from ABC Country was playing it. He heard it and said, "Could you play it as well, Michael?" So I thought, no, easy, no problem. Went searching for the track and couldn't find it. Interesting story with this album. It did arrive on streaming platforms. It's not available as a vinyl or CD or anything like that. Did arrive on streaming platforms, but then on the 7th of May was taken down. And Charley Crockett saying, watch this space. So if you're searching for the album Clovis by Charley Crockett, brand new, something you can't hear at the moment. It seems to be involved in a bit of a dispute between him and his record company, which he's now leaving. So all seems all very involved and difficult. But from what we've heard of the album Clovis, it sounds mighty fine, as you expect with Charley Crockett, one of the great voices in international country music these days. And I did, thanks to Henry Wagons and the team at ABC Country, I managed to track down this song that Bennett was talking about. So playing it for you, but don't go looking for it because it's a bit hard to find these days. Charley Crockett and Hallelujah Trail. Charley Crockett, The Hallelujah Trail, and a track from the mysteriously disappearing Clovis album, which was only out for about a week and has now been taken down from streaming platforms. If you were one of the people that digitally downloaded it instead of just streamed it, hold on to that because you've got a precious piece of music now. So, interesting days. And thanks to Bennett for suggesting that one as well, and sending me down quite a interesting track to trail to find that song. Another request that's come through this week, Early Morning Country. This is from Andrew in Bundaberg, Stephen Pigram. The track is Crocodile River.